Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel CompuServe. So we are going to review the HP laptop. This laptop is made to be a strong functional choice for both personal and professional use. It has many qualities that set it apart from the other competitors. Let's examine the detail to discover what this laptop has to offer. So now we'll talk about design and other parts. Starting with the design, the HP Pavilion laptop 15 eg2036tu is a sleek and stylish laptop that is easy to carry all around. It has a 15.6 Full HD display which offers a vivid visual along with 300 nits. That means we'll get a better color calibration, and it comes with comfort view which give you less than 70% blue light filter to the viewer. The laptop has a backlight keyboard with a numeric keyboard and a touchpad for easy navigation with the finger lock. Now if I talk about the performance, and 12th generation Intel Core i5 processor powers the HP Pavilion laptop 15 eg2036tu, which is providing outstanding performance for demanding applications like video editing, gaming or any programming related works. So it contains 512 GB NVMe SSD which will give you lighter speed for your work, and comes with the 16 GB of DDR4 RAM which is also having a good speed. So now if I talk about the graphic part, this laptop is having Intel Iris Xe graphics which can handle high-end professional working and video playback with any other work also. The laptop also features by B&O. You know that B&O is Bang & Olufsen, the good audio chip which give you a better sound with crystal clear effect. So if I talk about the webcam is having HD camera which is having a technology of TNI technology which give you temporary noise reduction on the image, and this laptop is having good microphones which will give you with the convenient in the meeting or anything else. So now if I talk about the connectivity part, it comes with Wi-Fi 6 and along with the latest Bluetooth connectivity. It has a Type-C port which is having a speed of 10 GB per second, and along with Type-A port, HDMI port. So now if I talk about the battery life, this laptop comes with decent battery life which is having 3 cell along with the 41 watt hour lithium ion battery which lasts up to 8 hours according to the usage. It features with HP fast charging technology which can give you 50% charge in 30 minutes. That is a good one. So now if I talk about the overall of this laptop, is a powerful and versatile laptop that is perfect for both work and play. Its sleek design, exponential performance and a range of connectivity options make it great for anyone who needs a reliable and high performing laptop. If you are in the market for a premium laptop, the HP Pavilion eg2036tu is definitely worth for it. So if I talk about the costing, that is come under 77,000, and the online offer is there, warranty offer is there. Go for it and grab the offer. So guys, if you like this video, need to know about more technical informations about the laptop, about the desktop, lot more things, gaming desktop. So we are here to provide you all the informations here. So that for this you have to subscribe us and hit a like, and please share all with the friends. So we will give you a lot more information about the new technology and update you. Meet again with another video. Till then, goodbye.